Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. Here I have two kits that are going to be coming to Etsy in a week or two, but in the meantime, these are actually going to be available as freebies for our premium bundle members. Here are those said kits. This is the Curious Botanical cards, and they come in large cards, small cards, and they're really cute. There's 11 total pages. And then this is the Fabulous Finds collection number 1. It just has a bunch of beautiful black and white vintage snippets, and it is a good kit. So both kits are available for the gold subscribers, and the floral kit is available for our premium bundle subscribers. So if you've been wanting a reason to join the monthly kit club, then here it is. Subscription community is incredible. You guys are absolutely amazing. And so this is just a little thank you for being a subscriber. And we also hope that we can do this more in the future. We want to do several kits a month or a kit every now and then. We'll see what the future holds. To download these freebies, you're simply going to go to www.pinkmonarchprints.com. And if you are a subscriber, you will just make sure that you're logged into your account, and then you go to the monthly kit club. You can do the premium bundle or the gold, whatever type of member you are. And then you go to your member page, scroll all the way to the bottom of this page. You will see some information and a spot to download the kit. So you guys, these kits will only be available for a week or two. If you miss downloading them, don't worry, they will be available to purchase on Etsy. And just know that we will not be sending out any freebie missed kits, so just make sure to download them. So our premium bundle members will get this floral card kit, and then our gold members are going to get the floral card kit, as well as this Fabulous Finds collection, the black and white snippet collection. And then of course you just click download this kit and it'll bring up this page. Make sure you save this page to your computer. I like to save just these PDFs because it'll save space on your computer. Printed and cut some of the pieces out from both of these kits, and I'm really excited to film some tutorials for you guys in the next week or two. Of course, you can make your own wonderful creations or wait for those tutorials to come around. And again, this is just a big thank you for being a subscriber, and if you're interested in becoming a subscriber, feel free to go to www.pinkmonarchprints.com and check out the plans there. We love to make them super affordable for you guys, and we love the community that has been created. We want to make our subscription the best subscription possible and make it beyond worth it for you guys. So I hope you guys love these freebie kits, and I can't wait to add more to the site. Now, if you are not a subscriber but want to learn more about it, then this portion of the video is for you. So again, you're going to go to www.pinkmonarchprints.com. If you're on a computer, which is what I recommend, this is what you're going to see. I've already logged into my account, so it is right there, and we are on the home page. Every month we release a 50-page kit, around 50 pages, and you can get it on Etsy separately or in the form of a subscription. So here is our first subscription. It is $8.99 USD a month, and it's really just the basics. It includes that 50-page kit, and then the premium bundle gold is a little bit more money, includes that same kit, and then also like a folio of some sorts with a monthly $5 Etsy coupon, although I don't know if we'll keep doing that because Etsy does not like coupons. And then right here, we usually do stickers that match the monthly kit club, but they are sold out at the moment. And if you don't like subscriptions, you can actually just go to our shop and buy individual files there. And then, yeah, you just scroll to the bottom. Nothing else really crazy. If you're logged into your account, you can go to your type of subscription, and this is what it's going to look like. If you're not logged into your account and if you don't have a subscription, you're not going to be able to get the kit. But it's just a cute little page with all the information you need, and of course that freebie at the bottom. And of course the subscription is cancel anytime. I wouldn't have it any other way. And if you want to cancel it, you can just go to my account and subscriptions, and you'll see your active subscription and then can cancel it, and you can also access it from here. And that's it. It's actually surprisingly simple once you get the hang of it. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a wonderful day. Everything you need is linked in the description of this video, and we will see you in our next video.